These little Santa cookies are so adorable, and what I loved is that I didn't have to bake. All I did is dipped some round cookies into almond bark, and this is to create the Santa beard. If you're liking this video, please don't forget to give it a like, a comment, and even subscribe. I have lots of easy recipes in my channel. Go check it out. I melted some red melts and created the little hat, and I used a mini marshmallow to create the Santa hat pom-pom. These were so easy to make. You can purchase any round cookies. You can even make them with Oreo cookies, but they'll be a lot smaller. I also added the little eyes and a little M&M red nose, which you're going to stick on there with your warm chocolates. This is also such a cute little craft for the kids to do on Christmas, especially if you have family gathering at your house. It gives the kids something to do and they can eat it afterwards. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I hope you enjoyed another one of my easy recipes.